Good morning, student. Welcome to social science class. Okay, students, as we have completed the chapter of civics, chapter number 4, and today we will discuss the question answers of this chapter. Okay, now you can see that I have written the first question on the blackboard, that is on your book only. The first question is relating that whether the following questions are true or false. If they are true, then we have to give the reason. Whether they are true or false, we have to give the reason why they are true or false. Let's take the first, that is, all society do not think similarly about the role that boys and girls play. We, as all of we know, that the society never think equally that the work that is done by the boys is equal to the work done by the girls. For this we can write like this. It's first you have to mention whether it's true or false. The answer is true, and why it is true, that more importance is given to work done by boys instead of ones done by girls. This can be the answer, or you can write in your own word also. The next one is, our society does not make distinction between boys and girls when they are growing up. How it can possible? We have read in this chapter that the society from the beginning, from the young age, divide the girls into different parts. Means in some area we have seen that the girls have different criteria, they have different life. So the answer of this question will be false. And why it is false? We can say that from the early age, boys are taught to be tough, serious, while girls are taught to be soft. And if I talk about the toys, they are also given different toys at the young age. Boys are given cars and the girls are given dolls. Okay, the third part is, women who stay at home do not work. As we all of you know that the society always devalue the work that is done by the girls. So this question is, if I ask what is it, true or false, the answer is false. And what is the reason why it is false? We can say that the women who stay at home does work, housework, a lot of it. They wash clothes. You can give some examples like what they work, what they do the work, like you can say they wash clothes, cleaning the house, or cooking the food. Okay, the next one is, the work that women do is less value than that of men. It is assumed already, we have read in this chapter so many times that the work that is done by the woman is always devalued. And if I talk about the household work, the society always think that the household work came naturally by the girls. So you can write it is true, or there is social condition that household work came naturally to women and that is it expected of them. Okay, the question number 2 is that housework is invisible and unpaid work. Housework is physically demanding. Housework is time consuming. Okay, in this question they are asking that write in your own word that what is the meaning of the term invisible, physical demanding, time consuming. Give one example of each based on the household task undertaken by women in your home. So first we will take that what will be the meaning of invisible. Okay, the answer you can write in your own word that the work invisible means that work that does not happen in our immediate presence. The work that never happened in front of us, you can write. Then we have to give one example also. The example you can give like the primary responsibility of housework and caregiving tasks such as taking care of children and adult. This type of work is always invisible and they are unpaid work. For this work the woman never gets salary or never get paid. The next one is the housework is physical demanding. Now we will discuss what is the meaning of physical demanding relate to the housework. As what will that mean? The housework is very tough and difficult. This is the meaning of physical demanding related to housework. Next, what will the example? We can give the example that women do lots of heavy duty like cooking, washing clothes, carrying heavy loads of firewood. Okay, the last one is time consuming. Now, what will be the meaning of time consuming related to household work? As we all of we know that the housework consume timing. So we can write household chores take up a lot of time. What will the example? You can write women routines begin from morning and continue up to late at night. So these chores depend on size of the family. Okay student, this is all for today.